Success in the meat processing industry is behind delivering quality meat that's reliably safe to consumers consistently. But with any upcoming IIC visit or compliance audit like HACCP, GFSI, FDSMA, or FSSC 22000, most quality managers feel like being on pins and needles because any incident of non-compliance can lead to recalls, denting a company's hard-earned reputation. The issue is not the audit itself, but it's the process of getting ready for the audit because sifting through paper after paper, searching, organizing, and compiling data is cumbersome and time-consuming. The pandemic prompted leaders across various industries to realize the significance of digital transformation in acquiring, storing, and analyzing data to drive process efficiencies. What if all the information you needed was available at the touch of a button to anyone, anywhere, at any time? What if we were to tell you that the path to digital transformation isn't difficult at all? At Folio 3, we have partnered with more than 500 customers to successfully create and implement custom digital and software solutions. We have helped top meat processing companies in North America to digitize their processes of collecting, sorting, and analyzing data from the field for all their compliance and audit needs. And even though we have worked extensively within the meat processing industry, we know that every company is different. So, we created a collaborative approach. We call it the 3D approach. Delivering the custom digital transformation that will help you address your unique needs. With a custom digital solution, you don't have to worry about collecting, organizing, and compiling data because all your data can be available in one location. Want to be a part of the digital revolution? Book a free consultation today to learn how digital transformation can help your business grow. Folio 3, your digital transformation partner.